If you're still sleeping on AI, wake up. This isn't some futuristic fantasy. It's here, it's now, and it's changing the game faster than you can hit that like button. We're talking self-driving cars, algorithms predicting your every want and need, machines writing movies. It's mind-blowing. And listen, this isn't about robots taking over the world. This is about you taking control of your future. AI is a rocket ship and you're holding the ignition key. Are you going to be a passenger, or are you going to strap in and ride this wave to success? This is your wake-up call. Let's get after it. AI isn't coming. It's already here. You see it every day. That facial recognition software on your phone, AI. Those personalized recommendations popping up on your social media feeds, AI. Even that spam folder that magically filters out the junk. You guessed it. AI. Ignoring it is like trying to swim upstream in a tsunami. You can't fight it, and why would you want to? This isn't about being scared. It's about being smart. It's about understanding that AI is not the enemy. It's a tool, a powerful tool that can unlock levels of success you never thought possible. But here's the catch. You have to be willing to embrace it. You have to be willing to learn, to adapt, to evolve. Don't hit the snooze button. We live in a world saturated with information, a world where everyone is screaming for attention. So how do you cut through the noise? How do you stand out in a sea of faces? The answer, my friends, is brand. Your brand is your story, your message, your unique value proposition that sets you apart from the competition. In the age of AI, your brand is more important than ever before. Why? Because AI thrives on data. It analyzes patterns, predicts behavior, and delivers personalized experiences based on what it learns. And what's the foundation of all that data? You guessed it, your brand. Think of it this way. Your brand is the magnet that attracts your ideal audience. It's the foundation upon which you build trust, credibility, and ultimately success. Be true to yourself, your values, and your vision. Share your story, your passions, and your expertise. Make it count. How much is your future worth to you? Are you willing to invest a few hours a week to unlock unlimited potential? Because here's the deal. AI is a game changer, but it's not a magic bullet. You have to be willing to put in the work. Now, I'm not talking about becoming a data scientist overnight. I'm talking about dedicating 50 to 100 hours to understanding the basics of AI, how it works, and how you can leverage its power to achieve your goals. Think of it like learning a new language. It takes time, effort, and consistency. But once you master the fundamentals, you open up a world of opportunities. And the best part, there are countless resources available to help you on your journey. From online courses to YouTube tutorials to free ebooks, the information is out there. You just have to be willing to seek it out and put in the effort. Invest in your education, invest in your skills, invest in your future. The returns will be exponential. Let me blow your mind for a second. Did you know there are virtual influencers out there? AI-powered avatars raking in millions of dollars in sponsorships. These aren't real people, folks. They're computer-generated images brought to life through the magic of AI. And they're killing it. Now, you might be thinking, Tony, that's crazy. How can a fake person compete with a real human being? Here's the thing. Authenticity still reigns supreme. People crave connection. They want to see the real you, the vulnerable you, the passionate you. That's why it's more important than ever to infuse your content with your unique voice, your story, your experiences. Don't try to be someone you're not. Embrace your quirks, your flaws, your imperfections. That's what makes you relatable. That's what makes you human. And here's a little secret. Authenticity can't be automated. It can't be faked or replicated by AI. It's your secret weapon in the age of digital duplication. Let's get real, folks. Change is the only constant in life. It's coming for us all, whether we like it or not. And you know what separates the winners from the whiners? Their response to change. The winners, they embrace change. They see it as an opportunity for growth, a chance to evolve, a challenge to overcome. The whiners, they resist change. They cling to the past. They fear the unknown, and they ultimately get left behind. Listen, I get it. Change can be scary. It can be uncomfortable. It can rock you to your core. But here's the thing. The more you resist change, the harder it becomes. Instead of fearing change, embrace it. Let me ask you a question. If there was a way to generate income 24/7 without trading your time for money, wouldn't you want to know about it? Of course you would. And guess what? That opportunity is at your fingertips right now. I'm talking about the power of online content creation. Every time you hit that post button, you're creating a digital asset that has the potential to generate income for you. Not just today, not just tomorrow, but for years to come. Think about it. A blog post can attract new customers. A YouTube video can generate ad revenue. A social media post can drive sales. The possibilities are endless. But here's the catch. You have to be willing to put in the work, to be consistent, to show up day after day, even when you don't feel like it. Listen, I'm not going to sugarcoat it. Building a successful online business takes time, effort, and dedication. But let me tell you something. It's worth every ounce of sweat, equity you pour into it, because the rewards are immeasurable. Financial freedom, time freedom, location freedom, the ability to design your ideal life on your own terms. Chapter 7, Social Media, your ticket to success. Let's talk about social media, folks. Some people see it as a distraction, a time waster, a black hole of negativity. And you know what? They're right. If you let it, social media can be all of those things. But here's the thing. Social media is a tool. And like any tool, it can be used for good or for evil. It all depends on how you wield it. In the right hands, social media is a powerful force for connection, for community, for building relationships that can transform your life. It's a platform to share your message with the world, to connect with like-minded individuals, to build a tribe of loyal followers. But it's not enough to just show up sporadically. You have to be strategic. You have to have a plan. Let me paint a picture for you. You're scrolling through your social media feed and you see a notification pop up. Your favorite influencer is live. You click on the notification and suddenly you're transported to a live stream where you can interact with the influencer in real time, ask questions, and even make purchases directly from the stream. Sound futuristic? Think again. Live shopping is here and it's about to explode. This is the future of commerce, folks. And those who embrace it will reap the rewards. But it's not just about selling products. Live video is an incredibly powerful tool for building relationships, for connecting with your audience on a deeper level, for showcasing your personality and your expertise. Here's your action step. Go live once a week. Talk about your journey, your challenges, your successes. Share your knowledge, your insights, your passions. We live in a world of information overload. Every day, we're bombarded with news, opinions, and distractions. It's enough to make your head spin. And you know what? A lot of it is negative. It's designed to make you feel anxious, afraid, and inadequate. But here's the thing. You have the power to choose what you consume. You control your own narrative. You curate your own reality. And that starts with mastering your mindset and your environment. Think of your social media feed like a garden. If you want it to flourish, you have to be intentional about what you plant. You have to weed out the negativity, the drama, the toxicity, and you have to cultivate positivity, inspiration, and growth. Let me tell you something, folks, nobody's coming to save you. There's no knight in shining armor, no magic fairy godmother, no lottery ticket that's going to magically solve all your problems. The truth is, you are the hero of your own story. You have the power to create the life of your dreams, but it's not going to happen by accident. It takes work, dedication, and unwavering belief in yourself. Stop waiting for permission. Stop waiting for the perfect time. Stop waiting for someone else to give you the green light. The only permission you need is your own. The perfect time is now. And the only one who can give you the green light is you. So what are you waiting for? Take control, take responsibility, and take action. We've covered a lot of ground today, folks. We've talked about the power of AI, the importance of personal branding, the need for continuous learning, and the importance of taking action. But it all boils down to this. You have the power to create the life you want. You are in control of your destiny. Don't let fear hold you back. Don't let doubt creep in. Embrace the unknown. Step outside your comfort zone and take massive action. Remember, start taking steps towards your goals today. You got this.